Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another video with another topic. It's headlight and fog lamp focus alignment. So I have installed two pairs of off-market auxiliary lamps for my bike, but four extra lights, one stock lamp. So how do you know that they are aligned or serve their purpose on the road? For that issues, in this video I will demonstrate a simple method. You can do it at your home also without any extra or expensive machines or equipments. So let's do it. First, find a plain wall about 10 to 15 feet wide, also sufficient, and park your bike about 10 to 15 or 20 feet away from the wall, and it should be facing the wall and perpendicular, and make sure the bike is parked on center stand on the flat surface. Then only you can do the alignment, or else no, whatever you try it cannot. And second, choose any one object which is about 2 to 3 feet high. Could be anything, water can or cricket stumps or any other, any one object. It could be thin as well. Place it about 2 to 3 feet away from the wall, as I've shown in the video. It should be completely on axis for in between the headlight and the wall, so that its shadow falls on the wall exactly behind that object. Let's begin one by one. First, with the stock headlamp. The low beam light rays should not exceed more than 3 feet from the ground, and the high beam should not exceed about 4 feet from the ground. If you follow this exact same method, the low beam angle will cover up to 50 meters of the road, and the high beam angle will cover up to 70 to 80 meters of the road. This is a very safe and highly recommended alignment angles, so that you will get a better visibility and the oncoming drivers will not face any kind of issue with your headlight rays. Second, let's go with the first pair of auxiliary lamps. In the stock headlamps, you will see only one shadow of the object you have placed. In auxiliary lamps, you will see two shadows slightly on right and left. First, adjust the heights of the rays, and next you come to the focus. You can see there are two shadows of the object you have placed. If both the shadows having the same intensity and same darkness, your lights are in perfect focus. If not, one shadow is having higher dark intensity and the other one is having very light intensity, then it's not in focus. Let's say you are having a very thick dark shadow on the left side of the object, then try panning the right side fog lamp outwards. Same way for the opposite side as well. Once you get the uniform intensity of the shadows, then your fog lamps are in focused. Here I have set my bike's stock headlamp and other two pair of auxiliary lamps in focus. Let me show you how the road visibility on the night with individual lights. This is stock headlight low beam, high beam, low beam. And this is first pair of auxiliary lamps, Mad Dog Scout X. And this is second pair of auxiliary lamps, Future Eyes 150. Mad Dog Scout X. a very clear road. That's all friends. I hope this was very easy and helpful for you to fix the focus of your vehicle headlamps. If you have better idea than this, please comment here. Let me try that method also and get back to you for sure. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.